Hey everyone, it's Bree from Camp Out RV in Stratford, Ontario. Today we're going to do a quick walk through this Northern Lite half-ton towable truck camper. Northern Lights are kind of a big name in the truck camper industry. They're well known for their construction. It is a two-piece cap construction as opposed to having four sidewalls. So you only have one seam really that you need to worry about for doing seams and seals. They're completely waterproof. They're built like a boat, so they are completely four-season livable. Everything's insulated for four-season livability. Typically, Northern Lights are known for their larger models like the 811, the 9.6, and the 10.2, which usually you need a bigger truck for. But the nice thing about the 610 that was released last year is that it is half-ton towable. It weighs just under 1,500 pounds. And it can fit a short box truck as well. So why don't we go in and just take a quick look at what they offer. There is a decent amount of space in here for one or two people. You do have a queen bed. It's an east to west facing bed at the front here and a nice big skylight there to allow airflow and sunlight in. You've got a table here which moves around so you can kind of maneuver it if you're working on a laptop or for eating. And then we do have lots of good storage around. The nice thing about these truck campers is that they're really great for going off-road into the backcountry, into kind of the road less traveled, like we like to say. You don't need a traditional campsite for them. They sit in the back of your truck so you can go deeper into the bush. They're great for fishing. You can tow a boat or a utility trailer behind it, so if you do have other hobbies, you can bring them along with you. This one does have a little pop-up sink and two burners here to cook. And then this one even does have a little cassette toilet. So if you are back in the bush or, you know, not at a campground, you do still have you've got all your amenities. You've got everything you need. There's an outdoor shower on it as well, so you can take a shower. Yeah, and it's just kind of the perfect little unit, like I said, for a single person or for a couple just wanting to travel down the road less traveled and bring a boat or bring anything along with you. It's perfect for that. It does come with lithium batteries, so everything will stay powered. You don't need a power source for it, and everything in here is 12 volts, so it'll run anything for you. Come check it out at Camp Out RV.